Oh, there you are. Oh no. Hey baby. Hey baby, it's okay. It's okay. He's left you out here to die? I know. Poor baby. Oh. Little puppy dog. Let's put his up here so we can get home. Poor thing. Poor thing. Got some bolt cutters too. Come on. Go get you some help, baby. Let's go.
To hear that dog scream, I think about it now, I tear up about it. It was just like, oh God, I gotta help that little dog. We took her right to the vet's office. Daddy's got you. And she really needed to be scrubbed out. And she was just seeking attention.
You're so sweet.
She walks into the vet's office. She's licking people's faces and wagging her tail. It's like she just knew, I'm okay now. I'm with good people. She went into a foster home. And she never looked back.
I came across her picture, I showed it to my wife, her eyes lit up and she's like, oh, look how pretty she is. And I knew that was it.
She came in the house, she walks around and I said, look at her, she fits perfectly.
It was like, okay, I'm home, I don't have to worry about anything anymore. She loves going to daycare every day. She's a very quiet, mellow dog. She loves to just roll over and give you her belly. She's just a good girl all the way around. When I look at that video of her, I see a dog that was broken spiritually, physically, and mentally. She's not that dog anymore. She's not broken anymore.